So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy platinum or how to invest in platinum here on Wealthsimple. So if you guys are new to Wealthsimple, I'll go ahead here and show you guys my referral link. If you guys use this referral link and sign up, the link is also down below in the description. You guys will get a little bit of money. Same with me, and you enter for a chance to win a home. But if you guys want to go ahead and invest in platinum, go to the bottom left, press on search, go to the top, type in ticker symbol PPLT. Now there also are some other ETFs you guys can do. So in this case, PPLT is actually part of the New York Stock Exchange. We'll just go ahead and use this as an example right here. Now it is trading in US dollars, so there are potentially Canadian alternatives as well, but I'll just show you guys for this example. Go to the bottom left, select your account. So I'll just do non-registered for this example. Then I'll press on trade. And then I'll press on buy and not trade options. So on this page right here, you can go ahead and limit order your buy, or you can go to the different orders right here. So if I were to go to market buy right here, I can actually buy fractional shares. So for example, if I wanted to buy $5 worth, that's how many shares it'll be. I'll just go ahead and press on review as an example. Now, what you guys can do here is actually review the transaction. So as I mentioned before, this is a US traded stock. So there is going to be a currency rate exchange fee right here, but you can go ahead and see the transaction right here. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on Q or press on buy, and then that's how you guys can buy or invest in platinum here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.